Michael.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another episode. It has been a hot minute since I posted a video, and today is a very good excuse to post one. It is the official Kelowna Bike Rave. That's right. We're gonna head up to Kelowna Knox Mountain. We're gonna meet up with the group. I'm already running a little bit late because I had a work function. Alright, so before we head out, we gotta make sure we get all the supplies. Kyle, Bez, are you ready to go, buddy?
Yep.
Love the enthusiasm, buddy. Love it. YouTube is appreciating. Good job. Got the ape hangers on his. We got the LED lights. And I am rocking the orange bike today. If you don't know what it's about, let me give you a quick rundown before we head out. Basically, you have 400 or 500 people, I don't know, something like that. They show up, everybody's on pedal bikes, some people bring one wheels and different things like that, but basically everybody's decked out and it's a rave, it's a party. It's a DJ, he's got speakers, he's got this whole kit set up, and you go downtown from one park to the other and just kind of stop at a different spot and have a party. So yeah, let's go see if we can find everybody and show you what it's about.
Step up, match my energy.
No, I don't have any soul.
I thought men carry stuff like that.
I wanted that.
I tell you, riding Kelowna is sketchy even on a pedal bike. But we're definitely getting old. We're just the bike rave for what, maybe an hour?
An hour, maybe like probably.
Maybe half an hour, and Kyle and I are both decided that definitely not situated for that party. I think it's getting too old for us. So on that note, stay tuned, because in the next bit of this episode we're gonna be doing something really, really fun. So you should definitely stick around. Alright, catch you tomorrow morning.
Cool glasses. If you...
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Very old.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back. So, like I promised you last night, we are going to do something a little bit more fun today. Last night's adventure was cut short because, well, Kyle and I are getting a little bit older, so we only lasted about half an hour at the bike rave. But today is Father's Day. We have dogs, so we're kind of fathers, I guess you can say fathers. We are at the gun range here. We got some handguns. Kyle's over here getting ready. What's up, buddy?
Hey, bud.
If you're not familiar with the gun laws in Canada, let me run you through it real quick. Essentially, a long time ago, there was a guy who used to be a teacher, and after that, he decided he doesn't want guns. And because he's a prime minister in Canada at the time, he basically banned them. So if you have a license for handguns and you have a handgun, great. If you don't, you missed the boat. Luckily for us, we have a friend that does have them, and we have a gun range right beside us. So we're gonna go do a little bit of shooting and take advantage of this Sunday. Stick around. All right, buddy. Show me your big toy. Say hello to my big friend.
4570 Smith & Wesson. Oh, favorite SKS Russian model.
Let's pop some rounds.
That's a lot. That's a lot of gun. Nope. Okay. Good.
one in
think
the
we can
chamber.
agree there's worse way to
Keep
spend
your
a
finger off the
Sunday.
trigger.
True.
I haven't see what the difference is going to be like. There you go, it's empty.
That is
Comfy with it.
gnarly.
What? It's empty.
Red dot too.
Get
my
used
goodness.
to that. It doesn't work because you're long and lanky.
Yeah.
But it
Oh,
works good for
long
me.
and lanky.
That's the first time he was upset about hearing that. And I could feel that on my face.
Wow.
She'll kick like a mule.
Holy shit.
How did that feel?
Well, the good thing is I'm sunburnt, so you can't see the red mark on my shoulder.
But get comfy, kind of find a good spot for you. You can move over and put your elbow on the rest there.
How'd that feel, pal?
Pretty good.
Let's see, let's see. Not bad, not bad.
Yeah.
Psych.
Yeah, that was the 400.
Yeah, here's the small one again. And then the big one.
Oh, you feel the difference.
Oh yeah.
Woohoo!
Heard that one.
Woo!
Oh, right in the head.
Man, that's got a kick to it. Nice. And then that's the